steep path up. Yeah, just climb up the face of the mountain. So I started down there in the car park, walked all the way along there, all the way around, all the way down there, up that face that looks like you can't walk up it, to the lake over there, all the way up there, all the way back down again, down into the valley up here, now we're at the top, there's the mountain, woo!